Downtime is expensive. One truck sitting still can cost more than $1,000 an hour. That's not just fuel and labor, it's missed deliveries, broken promises, and unhappy customers. Today, we're breaking down the hidden costs of skipping maintenance and why simple, consistent checks can save your fleet thousands every year. Tires are the first place money leaks away. Underinflated tires burn more fuel and increase the risk of blowouts. Even a 10 psi drop in pressure can raise fuel use by 1%. If one truck runs 100,000 miles in a year, that's a huge hit. Multiply it across a fleet, and you're talking tens of thousands of dollars wasted, all from skipping a quick check. Brakes and lights might seem small, but they carry heavy risks. Skip an inspection and you could face a roadside failure or a DOT violation. The cost isn't just repairs, it's the fines, the safety score damage, and even higher insurance premiums. A few minutes of attention prevents hours of lost time and big money losses. Fluids and filters are the lifeblood of a truck. Replacing a filter costs very little. Replacing an engine can run into six figures. Neglect here doesn't just hurt performance, it shortens the life of your most valuable assets. Preventative care is always cheaper than emergency repairs. In today's fast-paced world, managing a fleet efficiently is crucial. First, we have drivers inspecting tires, ensuring safety and reducing maintenance costs. Next, our skilled mechanics are fixing parts, optimizing performance and longevity. With AI, we predict issues before they arise, saving time and money. This model not only streamlines operations but also enhances productivity. Investing in technology means investing in the future of your fleet. Stay ahead of the curve and watch your costs decrease while efficiency soars. Here's the reality. Fleets that skip maintenance spend 20–30% more per year on emergency calls, roadside breakdowns, and unscheduled repairs. On the other hand, fleets that follow a maintenance schedule cut breakdowns nearly in half. They file fewer insurance claims, and they keep their trucks on the road making money. Every truck that stays on the road is a delivery that arrives on time. On-time deliveries create happy customers, and happy customers renew contracts. Maintenance isn't just about avoiding costs, it's about increasing revenue, building trust, and protecting your reputation. So here's the takeaway. Skipping maintenance saves a little today, but it will cost a lot tomorrow. Every inspection, every oil change, every small check adds up to safer, more profitable miles. At Allinva Motors, we provide the parts that keep your fleet moving. Preventative maintenance isn't an expense, it's an investment. Stay safe, stay efficient, and remember, every mile matters.